Allah, Allah, see, he's just
The one and only Sakuba.
the one and only llama. He looks like a llama.
Ma'am, his hair like llama.
Ah, right. You know, wait. So let's stop sharing the screen now. I want to show something. Yet. You remember there was this picture of white llama going around
Already on it.
Where?
Just renaming it.
with that amazing haircut?
No.
Breaking.
One minute. White llama boy's haircut. It should be. This. Wait, I'll show you. Wait.
5.
Oh, okay. Okay, playtime over.
Arey ma'am, show na.
Wait, I'll show you.
Then ma'am will give that kind of haircut to Sakuba.
There he is. So good. How cool do you look, man?
You just have a gold chain in his neck.
And that thug life wala chashma falling from up. Okay. Enough jokes. We'll study now. No, not study. We'll enjoy this class. It's life skill, right?
Yes, ma'am. So we should enjoy.
Yo, baby, we're gonna enjoy. Don't worry.
Ma'am, no padai.
Yes. Only movie discussing.
Ma'am, you are holiday, ma'am, today. No
Ma'am,
study.
you had to show us the movie from grade.
Yeah, I showed you the movie.
No, you
What?
didn't.
Thappad will get all for all this lappad chappad chale. Shut up.
Where's the clan? Ma'am, look at the clan.
Second, why are you doing that, man? All right.
Ma'am, you are today holiday, ma'am. I cannot study today because today is Friday.
Yeah, that's nice. Understood?
Ma'am, movie.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what color? Can you see these three colors?
Can you see these three colors? Tell him.
No.
The colors for us. What colors do you see?
Ma'am, he's not telling us. He's telling Curie, ma'am.
Obviously.
All the primary colors.
Okay, no problem. M&M brothers,
Mama,
I
I
hope
can
the
hear
internet
it
connection is
full
fine now.
Yes.
Okay, perfect, cool. It's good to have you back. Okay, hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Anything, ma'am. No, ma'am, welcome back to Saklan's ability.
Oh, yes. And let's check our ability. All right, so these are the pictures given to you. And what you guys have to do is... Yeah, babe. M&M. You all are my good children. Stop that. Okay. So what you guys have to do is you have to identify one similarity. Okay, these are pictures and you have to identify one similarity. Go ahead. They have a similarity.
They all have hair. They all have oxygen.
They all have hair. They all have oxygen. Keep quiet already.
Ma'am, all of them are very
They
close.
all are related to science.
Everything is related to science.
Yes, that's a very close clue. You are close. Think.
Ma'am, all of them are men.
Eh?
Yes, ma'am. All
Chemistry.
are men.
Ma'am, it's all about flying.
No woman, ma'am.
Saklen.
Gravity.
All about space. All about space.
There it
All about
is.
space.
Amina, you should never give the correct answer.
Shut up. What is that? Right in front of the teacher? Farhana, get out of the class. All right, there it is. So gravity is the correct answer. Farhana, thappad you will get now. Okay, this. Go ahead.
Ma'am, all of these are
Ma'am,
apps.
all of them Drive, Google Drive. Key and the book.
Ma'am, password.
Computer, ma'am. Computer.
Perfect, perfect, Munib. I think Amin and Munib are the only ones with brains. बाकी सबको
Brain
मस्ती
drive is correct.
Ma'am, there's no Chua in computer, ma'am.
Ma'am, how computer?
What the hell? What is this? There's no Chua.
Okay. What is this drive, ma'am? Google Drive. Why?
Hard drive, bro.
Bermuda
What is the Chuha for?
C drive.
And what is the board for? What is the board for?
And what is
Port.
it?
It's a port. Port we use now.
Ma'am,
These are computer hard drives, okay?
with a key, ma'am.
Ma'am, they don't have a brain, ma'am.
I know. Look at them. Nonsense. Ooh. Cute.
Fire.
orange
Fire. Very good.
quarantine
Hell, ma'am, hell.
Sorry, Ayman. What did you say?
Hell.
I'm danger.
Why? What danger is he doing to you?
He's spying on us.
Oh my God, please. If it's Prince William spying on me, I would totally want it. Chalo. Ahmed, you said something. I couldn't hear you.
Ma'am, jail.
J.
Death.
Come on, come on. Should I give you a hint?
Yes.
Yes.
It's a very famous novel.
Games of
Campfire
Thrones.
novel.
Ahmed, go ahead. I could see him and he was raising hand. Ooh, so good. Eid Mubarak, everybody.
no I don't know
Okay, you don't know.
Ma'am, I know.
Ma'am, characters.
Amina, go ahead.
Song of
Campfire
Ice and
novel.
Fire.
Huh?
Harry
Campfire
Potter.
novel.
No, array, Sakle.
I'm guessing
Finally, tukka lag gaya. Nishane pe. It's Harry Potter, okay? The Order
Goblet of
Phoenix,
Fire.
Goblet of Fire, Prisoner of Azkaban, and Half-Blood Prince. This, go ahead.
Ma'am, this is
Queen
English.
Elizabeth Castle.
England.
Yeah, ma'am. Arey, ma'am, this is a palace. This is Queen Elizabeth. This is a king. This I don't know who is he. The castle.
Bishop and a knight.
Ma'am, that's not a bishop. He's not a camel, ma'am.
Sophia, at times I can't understand what you're saying. Okay?
Chess, ma'am, chess.
Yes, that's right, Muni. That's the correct
Chess.
answer. Perfect, perfect.
What is this, ma'am?
Potato chips and Coke.
Not that.
Arey, ma'am, what is this? You're saying skeleton, ma'am?
X-ray
Oh.
machine.
No, Muni, the skeleton is for playing Akkad Bakkad Bombay. Chalo.
X-ray.
Come on, the potato chips.
A Coca-Cola.
Ma'am, give a hint, ma'am.
Pizza.
Machine.
Companies. Company.
Nope.
Ma'am,
Ocean.
this all comes in company, ma'am.
This is an X-ray machine.
Oh.
I'm
Hey,
hit.
1 minute. You take X-rays from the micro. Amina?
X-ray is a machine that's enjoying the world.
And what about
Ma'am.
potato chips? Yes, Abdullah.
Ma'am, you eat chips, you drink Coke, you put your hand on the microwave, you'll get an X-ray.
Do not make me laugh. I can laugh for 45 minutes straight. Don't.
Somebody burned
Ma'am.
your hand. That's why they had to.
Somebody wants your hand.
Ma'am.
Why?
Somebody burned.
I don't want to give my hand to anybody.
Ma'am, somebody put the hand in the microwave and burn, and it is looking like this, ma'am.
It's looking like potato chips now.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
potato hands.
Ma'am. Ma'am, these things are for fat people, ma'am. They
Ma'am,
take.
hints.
Can I say? Ma'am,
Samya,
can I
keep
say
quiet.
that?
I do not like your opinion at all.
Only one,
Oh,
ma'am.
fat people matlab kya?
Ma'am, hint,
You are stereotyping now.
ma'am, hint.
Ma'am.
Hint is.
Checking
Ma'am,
this
1 minute.
X-ray of
Ma'am.
somebody
Ha,
else.
okay. Yeah.
It is all about a company.
No. Okay.
Sorry.
Ma'am, hint.
Fat people, ma'am.
Hint is. I don't know how to give the hint because that is the answer.
Give the hint, ma'am.
Ma'am, coronavirus to nahi.
No. These are inventions. These are inventions, okay?
Scientists.
But these are
The only
inventions.
thing it could be is an X-ray machine.
that did not that were not meant to happen.
WHO.
Scientist
चुप
ma'am.
रहे, चुप रहे.
मैम ये क्या हिंट हुई मैम, ये तो अब हम लोग
What hint?
I'm
Hint
direct.
is, these are inventions that were not supposed to happen.
Non-invention.
What?
Yeah, inventions.
Inventions that were not supposed to happen.
Ma'am, is it an invention related to food?
Sorry.
Ma'am,
Is it an
facts.
invention related to food?
No.
तो फूड क्यों दिए?
खाने के लिए खा जा.
नहीं खा सकता मैम.
These random inventions were not supposed to happen.
Tell the answer.
Okay, I'll tell the answer. These are inventions by accident, yeah. Come on.
नहीं पता मैम.
हाँ तो ठीक है ना, no problem. So you see potato chips. What happened was a man came in the restaurant. He asked for fried potatoes. All right. So the chef, he gave him fried potatoes, but they were too thick. The man complained, the customer complained that these are too thick. I don't want it this way. Call the chef and this that.
Ma'am, which
It's a big
country?
issue. So the chef got very angry. He took the potato and he said, "Ab to main isko ekdam barik slice karke दूंगा." And he kept on slicing the potatoes so thin, and he fried it. And they became very crispy. He sprinkled salt and he gave it to the customer. But surprisingly, the customer loved it. And from there, the potato chips came into being, you know. Oh my God, I love that chef already. Same
what
with
was the name?
Coca-Cola. You know.
Ma'am, these
Coca-Cola
are
is an-
obese people.
अरे तो मैम मेन आंसर क्या है?
main answer ये है कि these are inventions by accident.
तो हमने आंसर.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, on the Coca-Cola bottle is written zero sugar. How is that even possible, ma'am?
One thing.
सरासर झूठ है. Anyway, all right. So in today's class, we are going to do inventions by accident. Now, a very basic invention, a very basic thing that we all use. Especially, I use it. I cannot work without it. You see these?
AC.
AC दिख रहा है ये तुमको?
Sticky notes.
Ma'am, I
Sticky
give
notes,
your answer.
exactly.
Nothing which you can't work without. I give your answer. What would you have said?
Sticky notes.
Writing,
are-
ma'am. Ma'am, writing.
That is not by accident, okay? That was definitely meant
No,
for me. Yeah.
someone has invented writing also, but you know, he did not think of it. He just told anything and
Obviously, हो सकता है कि the person was mute and he wanted to tell somebody.
Because he wanted
The other
to
person
say-
didn't know the sign language to लिख दिया. Anyway, coming back to sticky notes, in today's time we use it a lot in offices, in buildings. I'm saying, what is wrong with me? In schools, in order to remember, we usually place it on the refrigerator. But who would
In
have
online
thought
classes.
these in online classes also? Yes, that's true. And these sticky notes were actually created through accident. The inventor wanted to make something else and he came up with a sticky note. Now, for which I would want you to see this video.
Ma'am, I don't know the inventor's name. You
And
just say the
you'll
name.
come to know. I'm not going to
But I don't want to learn his name.
keep quiet. Don't learn.
It notes. Dr. Spencer Silver was working as a chemist for
Now you know, Safia,
Yes.
Spencer Silver.
3M Company back in 1968. He was trying to create a super strong adhesive, but what he got instead was quite the opposite. A low-tack yet high-quality adhesive, only strong enough to hold up a piece of paper, but durable enough to be relocated multiple times without losing its stick. It wasn't until 1974 when the use for his invention was found. His colleague needed something to mark his hymnal in church choir, and Silver's sticky papers worked like a charm. The name Post-it notes was later dubbed, and they became a must-have in homes, schools, and offices around the world.
Ma'am, what was he trying to make?
A very strong adhesive.
What?
So Dr.
What is that, ma'am?
Silver, what?
what was he trying to make?
He was trying to make a very strong glue. A glue that will stick on hard surfaces.
So
or
he
any
already made
material.
it. Now what does he need?
No, he did not make it. So he was trying in his laboratory, he was actually trying to make a very strong adhesive, but opposite happened. He
But
actually
ma'am,
made,
He was trying to make glue. How can he make papers?
Use the paper for testing it.
मैं मारती हूँ कि तुम लोग मारोगे इसको. Anyway.
कोई नहीं मार सकता उसको सिवाय इसके घर पे जो है.
Excuse me, whoever told you.
Munib, yaar. Shit.
Munib is right in
Boring.
his point, ma'am.
Saklan, you to keep it down, please. Okay. So what happened was he was actually trying to make a very strong adhesive, but opposite happened. He made a very low quality glue. All right. And that glue, he accidentally, the papers that were kept, they flew on that glue and they stayed for a long time. So if you see a sticky note, if you see, the glue is not very strong. The glue is not very strong. It can stick, but it is also easily removable. And then again, you can, I am sorry, I have to show you my achar bottle, but you can easily glue it on other things as well. All right.
And that person is really foolish.
No, it's not achar, it's Szechuan.
Sorry.
It's not it.
Fine, Szechuan chutney. Here you go.
Favorite.
So how much ever time you can, it's reusable. The glue is of such a kind that you can easily remove it and reapply. The adhesive doesn't wave off. Okay, it doesn't go away.
And that person is really foolish.
Why? Why would you say that?
Arey, ma'am, he couldn't keep it under a book or something. That the papers have to fly, ma'am. Then he could make it.
No, I didn't get
I
it.
have no answer for that. I am sorry. I am sorry I'm your teacher. Okay? And I'm proud that you are my student. There is no other way I can put it. Alright? So yay, thanks to these sticky notes, they are inventions by accident. Now, if you look around children, there are a lot of things that you can let your imaginations run wild and you can create things out of. Now, what happened in the previous school that I was, everybody knows Abdullah Patel?
Yes.
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 Yeah,
Yes, ma'am,
everybody
I know.
knows. Yeah, right. So he was my student, all right, in the previous school as well. And we would have long school hours and boredom and a lot of things going on. And Abdullah Patel is a child who wants to, release his energy. He's filled with energy and he wants to release his energy. All right. So it was very difficult for the teachers to make him sit in one place. And everybody was like, Abdullah, sit down, Abdullah Patel. And he was like, Abdullah Patel, oh my God. Chakkar khate rahe.
Ma'am, I came to your class for something, and
Yeah.
Abdullah Patel was somewhere under the bench, and you called Abdullah Patel, and he raised his hand. Here, ma'am.
Yeah, that was my Abdullah Patel. All right, so he was a fun student. He is a fun child. Okay. Mashallah, I really like that boy. I adore him. So there are a lot of things I learned from him. And when you go to school, you have pens, right? You have pens. Now the teachers and the lecturers used to bore him so much that that boy came up with something to do with his boredom. All right, and this piece that you see right now is an invention by Abdullah Patel, copied by me because he taught me how to make it.
Copyright.
All right, can you guess what this is?
Gun.
Gun.
Pistol.
A gun.
That's a no-brainer, right? So this boy, instead of his classroom, he made a gun out of the pens and he's already in his battlefield, shooting at the teachers, karke. And because the teacher is boring him, and then he sees his friend and then across and he's like to his friend. Now, the other friend, that is Yahya, he's paying attention to the class. And he sees Abdullah like that. And out, Yahya is also going around fidgeting with his stationaries and he comes up with a pen too. And the teacher is teaching. I don't know, I think I happened to just walk in the class for something, some paper or something. And I saw these two boys, audacity, they were sitting on the first bench provided. मतलब क्या? दोनों एक दूसरे की battle चालू है. But the what is going? This is creative thinking. You know, kids, this is creative thinking. Whatever resources you have around you, you make something, you invent something, you design something. Now, similarly, there was this very good movie. I'm a big fan of that movie. All right.
Which movie?
And
Ma'am, name the
बस हो
movie.
गया कितनी पिक्चरें दिखाओगे अभी तो हद हो गई है. All right. So I would want you to see this.
ऑफिसर का नाम ले रहे हो मैम हर बार.
Am I have
Hey, Munib, keep quiet. हाँ, Munib, keep quiet. बस हो गया अभी. Watch this.
I have a question.
Got a little surprise for you, son.
हाँ, Saklen, question. Ask your question, Saklen. Takubai. Fine. Fine. I'm not going to entertain now.
No, Dad! Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Yeah, I am. You're not getting a Porsche.
Let me tell you something, son. A driver don't pick the cars. Cars pick the driver. It's a mystical bond between man and machine.
मैम this is Transformers one.
That's my car!
What you're about to see is totally classified.
Dear God, what is this?
We're under attack!
We're facing war against a technological civilization far superior to our own. Our enemy can take any shape. They could be anywhere.
It's a robot, you know, like a super advanced robot. It's probably Japanese.
No. Whoa!
Outright, you shoot!
You have to get the car. Trust me. Bring it!
Ma'am, I
Okay.
saw it.
Transformer.
Ma'am, I saw it on Thursday, ma'am. You will not believe me. I
Thank you
just
very
saw
much.
this movie yesterday, ma'am.
Wow. So you all know, how many of you knew this is Transformers? Right? You've seen that movie? Excellent, lovely. So now this movie was Transformers, and it is one of my favorite movies. If you've not watched it, go and watch it. You have to watch it. Not for the robot, for Megan Fox.
Assignment, ma'am, assignment.
Assignment, yes. Go and watch the movie. Not now. After that.
Ma'am, if I had to give you a movie now, watch Pink Panther. You laugh at it like
I've seen Pink Panther.
the real one, ma'am.
Yes.
That police officer one.
I've seen that Aishwarya Rai wala part also. Anyway, coming back. So these Transformers children, somebody must have thought it's a car, and why not just convert it into a robot? All right. So where did these Transformers come from?
From space.
From the space,
different
yes.
planet.
Yes, from an interstellar galaxy, you can say. Can you name a few other things apart from the Transformers that we've seen in the movies or we've read about
Ma'am,
it
that
somewhere?
cube, ma'am, that cube that was very precious, ma'am. That
The
cube.
Tesseract. No,
Yes.
Tesseract is Avengers.
Optimus Prime.
Yes. So,
That
tell me,
cube, ma'am.
what are they transforming into? What are the cars transforming into?
Robot.
Robots, Autobots.
Autobots. Very good. They're transforming into Autobots. And can you name a few interstellar things that we know of?
Us turning into robot.
The Transformers is one of the things that we know are from space. Apart from Transformers,
Thanos.
Thanos, very good. Avengers, yes.
Aliens.
DC heroes.
Aliens, okay. DC heroes,
Marvel
yes.
Avengers.
Superman. Marvel Avengers, excellent. What else?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man, all right.
Superman.
DC heroes हो गया ना.
Now say Batman also.
Captain Marvel.
Say yes.
Iron
Captain
Man.
Marvel. Iron Man is from space.
Spider-Man is also not from
that
space.
lightsaber वाला cartoon.
Spider-Man is also not from space.
Lightsaber, yes, tell me.
Doctor Strange.
Star Wars.
Galaxy
X-Men.
Guardians.
X-Men.
Guardians of the Galaxies. X-Men are from
Star
space.
Wars.
They are the
Star
mutants.
Ma'am, Star Wars.
Star Wars, yes, perfect.
Ma'am,
So
the
many
Teenage Mutant Turtles.
Mutant.
Teenage Mutant Turtles.
Teenage Mutant
Teenage
Ninja
Mutant.
Turtles.
हाँ ma'am.
Yes, Safia, you had something to say.
Meteorites.
What?
Asteroid.
Asteroids are. Yeah, but what are they doing? Apart from the fact that they are forming lakes.
Ma'am, that thing we
Earth.
destroyed the dinosaurs. Meteorites.
Oh yes, they destroyed the dinosaurs. What else?
Ma'am, there are many myths. Like how the dinosaurs.
Okay, name the different cars that they transform into.
Bumblebee.
He
Chevrolet.
transforms into
Beetle.
a beetle or.
No, he transformed into a Chevrolet. Chevrolet,
Yes.
ma'am.
Bumblebee transformed into.
And that Optimus Prime, ma'am, he was a truck.
Optimus.
Okay,
And that
Optimus Prime
Ratchet was
transforms
a
into.
jeep. Ratchet was a jeep.
We have a die-hard Transformer fan over here. Wow, Munib. Excellent, yeah, excellent. Nobody else knows about Transformers. You've just seen the movie, enjoyed it, and left it there. Huh? So much to think of from Transformers. Yes,
Megatron.
Megatron, alright.
Ma'am, in that Transformer cartoon, there was one precious stone also, na ma'am.
Yes, they were behind that stone. Okay.
Mines,
And where was the
mines.
stone exactly?
In mines, ma'am.
No,
In
Munib.
Yes,
The Sam's grandfather's glass, Munib.
Ma'am, there was one car.
Yes, ma'am.
Mustang, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
In which Bumblebee transformed.
Yes, it was
Jazz
Mustang.
also.
And there were some fingerprints also that Optimus Prime wanted for something. I don't know for what.
It was the passcode to switch on that.
The
that
enemy
thing was.
wanted to kill Optimus Prime once.
Yes,
Megatron.
because he was the guardian of.
Ma'am,
that
was
cube.
Megatron and Optimus Prime brothers or not?
I have no idea. Were
They
they?
were brothers.
Brothers of Optimus.
All right. Enough with the rishtedari and the family. Now, tell me something. You guys have anything around you? Grab something. Anything that's around you. Come on. One thing.
What did you say? I didn't hear you.
It's a dinosaur. Water bottle. Very
What did
good.
you say, ma'am? I didn't hear you.
I
Grab.
have many things around me, ma'am.
Grab one thing around you. Sakil.
Sophia, grab the TV.
Sakil, you stop with
ball.
your ability. A ball. All right. Okay. Pen. How about you, Amina? Amina brothers. Mouse. What's that? Mudabir, why are you sitting with a battery? Mudabir, why are you sitting with a battery? To recharge yourself. All right. Humaira and Ahmed, come on, yeah, guys. Show me yourselves.
This is not a pen, this is a missile.
Oh, I like the way you're thinking. All right. See, I had a mug full of pens, and this is what I created. The Abdullah Patel rifle. All right. What can you think of creating out of the things around you?
2 dinosaurs eating each other.
That's what you can think of?
Yes, ma'am.
Ahmed just came, smiled, and went off. Why? I want to see what's around you. Okay, Saklan, what you've made? What have you made?
Ball wearing set.
Or go ahead, do
Mask,
one thing. Take anything around you out of which you can make something, design something.
I told you, ma'am, mine. The dinosaurs, 2 dinosaurs eating each other.
Ma'am.
Or a mother.
How is
feeding
it? How
the
is it?
baby dinosaur.
How is it useful?
Ma'am,
I'm just gonna cover the camera.
Pakkad, ma'am, pakkad. Hey, ma'am, pakkad broke.
Amina, that's a very good trick. Now keep off the napkin down. Shut up, cover the camera. What was that? What was that? Anyway. Yes, Saklan, what's that?
I don't know.
So why are you showing it to us? Okay, let's do it up. That's one funny. All right. Do you have a piece of paper with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
I have a full book next to me, ma'am.
No. I just need that paper. Okay. So what we are going to do is we'll go ahead. You've seen the video. We are going to.
You're going to the.
No. We are not going to the. Sakina, now stop it now. Okay. You see the screen? Now you guys have to read this. It's a movie review about Transformers. All right. And like I said earlier, remember about the post-its that we talked previously? That post-its were invented by accident, and we use them to remember things, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, coming to the movie review of Transformers, read it.
Ma'am, can I read it loudly?
No. Should I read?
You're a teacher and you can do anything.
Okay, I can do anything. Yeah, but anyway, so I'll read it. The normal Autobots and devious
Decepticons, ma'am.
Muni,
The other robots.
we only read.
Okay. The noble Autobots and the devious Decepticons, two intergalactic races of robots, crash land on Earth. They battle for the Allspark, the ultimate power source whose location is held by Sam. 2 years after he and his Autobot friends saved the Earth from the Decepticons, Sam Witwicky faces a new battle. College. Meanwhile, Optimus Prime and Autobots are working with a secret military organization and trying to make a home for themselves on Earth. When an ancient Decepticon known as the Fallen rise up to, I can see till that only, up to wreak
Vengeance.
Sam and his partner Mikaela must figure out the history of the Transformers on Earth and find a way to defeat the Fallen once for all.
Once and for all. All right. So we just read a movie review of the Transformers. What did you understand? What did you understand out of the movie review? You want to read it once again?
Yes, ma'am.
You want to read it once again? Yes. Or no? Okay. Let's go. Now this time you guys read it silently on your own. Okay? Or should I read it?
Ma'am, what is Decepticons?
Decepticons
are the other race. Autobots are the good robots and Decepticons are the bad robots.
Thank you.
Ma'am, done.
Good. Others, let me know so that I can turn
Next
to
page,
the
ma'am.
next page. Next page?
Yes.
Everybody? Okay.
Ma'am, what should I do with this paper?
This Bumblebee looks like a laddu. Yeah, ma'am. Not.
Next page.
Okay. Please mute yourself, child.
Done, ma'am.
All right. Everybody has read it now?
Yes.
Ma'am, I built a climbing bike, ma'am. See.
Where's the bike?
Awesome.
Arey ma'am,
Oh,
see na ma'am.
Invisible bike.
See
Sophia
ma'am.
is like awesome. Shut up now.
See ma'am.
It's
This
a new type of bike. Does it
Munim,
have petrol or
Munim,
not? I don't get.
Munim, I made an arrow. See.
Ma'am, I don't think the Muni's bike has petrol.
it is electric car.
Without engine.
Savage. Roasted there and there. Anyway, okay, so now what you guys have to do is, you all have read the movie review.
Yes.
Now you have to write a short review. This review you have to make it short, and we will write it on a sticky
Ma'am.
note.
Assignment.
बोलिए.
Instead, this
Ah!
copy.
Yes, Abdullah, that is too good, yeah. It reminds me so much of my childhood. Anyway, stop sharing. Okay, so what I will do is I'll share a link to the Jamboard. I will share a link to the Jamboard. You guys can on the chat. You guys can go over there and make use of sticky notes. Okay. Y'all got the link?
Yes, ma'am, but
Chat, and there you go.
Okay, you see sticky notes over here? You can choose any color you want. I have a turtle and a bird with me right now. Okay, so you can make use of sticky notes, and you have to type the movie review of Transformers in short, just a short review of what you've understood
there are no sticky
about her.
notes.
Eh?
There are sticky notes.
Here, below the arrow. Control Shift P.
On this color. Yeah.
Go ahead. I should see all 10 sticky
You have
notes.
to write a movie review of Transformers.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'll join again in 2 to 3 minutes. Okay.
And I've not seen the movie.
Arey Baba, you've read the movie review na, Amina?
Yes.
This movie review that you read na, bacha,
Ma'am.
this you have to summarize it. You have to make it short. And you have to write your short movie review on these sticky
Alfia,
notes
ma'am.
and place it on the Jamboard. Yes, Muni.
Help me with the spelling of Transformers.
Trans.
And then
Here it is.
I can't see it.
Okay, sorry. Trans. FOR.
F-O-R
MERS.
M-E-R-S.
ERS.
A-R-S. Transformers.
I'll repeat
Color
again.
fun.
You guys are
Alright.
supposed to write your short notes on the review, and we'll make of these sticky notes the invention by accident.
Fine.
Mother, why are you just sitting, Mother?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
can you send the link?
Oh, sure.
If
Who posted this?
Alfia ma'am.
Yes.
I will not be able to do this because my devices are someone or other is using that is why.
Anonymous Grizzly. Is that you, Abdullah?
No, ma'am.
Who's Anonymous Grizzly over here? Don't doodle. Only make use of the sticky notes. Okay, I want to know who posted this. The first one. Huh? Saklan. Saklan, I don't want your opinions on the movie. I want you to write a short review on that movie.
Wait now.
Go ahead. You can edit it. You can delete it. Abdullah, did you get the link?
No, ma'am.
Wait.
Ma'am, send it on the WhatsApp, please.
Oh, all the more better.
There you go.
I'm copying it from there. एक minute, I'll stop sharing my screen. You guys can. There it is. There you go, Abdullah.
Nice.
Okay, that's a very short review. Who's this?
Me, ma'am.
That's it, Safia?
Yes,
Transformers
ma'am.
have to fight Fallen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
If they want this,
Transformers have to
what do you
fight
mean?
Fallen.
Okay, one sticky note so far. Oh, there's another sticky note.
That was me.
Okay, perfect. Amina. If you what? Alright, in the movie Transformers, the Noble Autobots battle Allspark. Perfect. The ultimate power source whose location is held by Sam. Okay. Optimus Prime and the Autobots are working with the military organization.
Ma'am, I've written if you haven't already, but it's not coming.
Watch the movie if you haven't already. Okay, got it. This is pretty cool, Amina. It's a very perfect description. I love your response. Excellent, Amina. Second is two races of robots come from space to Earth and want to make.
No, they don't want to make the home. They want to take that cube.
Allspark. Who's this?
I. Ma'am, I ordered the link again, ma'am.
Who's that, ma'am?
Me, Abdullah.
Ah, this is Abdullah?
Yes.
I wrote it. Dabbir.
Mudabbir wrote, what nonsense, Abdullah? Mudabbir wrote it, you are saying I wrote it. Oh. Two races of robots come from space to Earth and want to make a home on it. Is that all you can think of, Mudabbir? Mozam, where's your sticky note? And start your video.
Ma'am.
One sticky note is enough, no, ma'am.
No, mother. I need everybody's
What
response.
is that thing called? What they want that?
Allspark, the cube that they're behind.
अब्बू एक कुर्सी दो ना.
Hey, ma'am,
Hmm.
I told I want the link again, please.
I gave you, na,
I-
Baba.
No, I left the meeting.
Why are you leaving the meeting?
I don't know.
Too much, huh?
Yes.
The class will end and you will keep on going on the link only now.
Who said it's such a boring movie except
Arey,
for the
chal
action
na
scenes,
yaar.
the yellow post-it note?
Who is that? Who is that? I am offended. The movie lacked a proper plot. Why do I think that? Is that you, Eman? It was quite a boring movie except for the action scenes. It doesn't have any correction between the different scenes. I couldn't understand the movie of the characters. The critic.
Very good girls. खदिया तुम तुम्हारी बॉल उठाओ.
Hey.
That was so cute. Oh my god, Mama. Mama has my heart. Who is this yellow sticky note? Is it time for Zohar? Come on.
Ma'am,
I
it's
need.
this exam is going on.
That was. I want to know who is this person, yeah? Come on.
And the yellow sticky note is somebody called the anonymous hyena.
Hyena. Anonymous, not anonymous. No, yellow sticky note is not anonymous hyena. It's a gopher. Okay, there I have. Guys, I can't hear you. Can you hear me?
Ma'am, I
The
did
cube
mine.
the cube is not with the Sam. It is somewhere hidden.
Oh, hello, Mister. Wait.
Ma'am, I did it.
Which one is you? The
This-
movie
The movie Transformers.
Okay, it's a movie on Autobots and Decepticons. They are searching for a few.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
It has yes, I can hear. Which is it, Sam? It has a lot of fighting between good and evil. The robots can transform into cars and trucks. Perfect. Fanana, I like your work. It's good, Masha. An excellent struggle.
Ma'am, I wrote that an ancient struggle between the two cyber
Okay, perfect.
races.
Perfect. Okay, an ancient struggle between two Cybertronian races, the heroic Autobots and the evil Decepticons, come to Earth with a clue to ultimate power held by. Wow! Are you sure you've written this, Moza? It's the best so far. It's the best. Okay, the movie was excellent. The robots saved the world. Thank you. Short and sweet. The Autobots and Decepticons are back from the 80s dead in Crash Boom. Why is Mudabbir hiding behind? The Autobots and Decepticons are back from the 80s Crash Boom. CGI perfected action. It is time for a new generation of morphing robots. Excellent. This is very well written. Who's written this? Can I know your name and appreciate it well?
Yes, ma'am. I am Sakleen. Syed.
Thappad, you will get one.
Arey, ma'am, I already wrote.
You wrote this, Sakleen?
No, ma'am, he must have not.
It is so unbelievable.
No, ma'am. Only words I copied.
From Google.
No.
Whoever is playing this, solve the puzzle. Tomato, I'll give you.
Who wrote the yellow one?
I want to know who wrote the yellow one. What's this mystery?
Ma'am, I know. Ma'am.
Okay.
All available wrote.
Ma'am, Sakleen wrote.
No.
Goofy fun with lot of stuff.
Who's moving everything?
No, wait. I have a solution for that also. You think you are smart?
Yes.
Too bad. I am your teacher. Don't forget.
Ma'am.
Okay. Which one was I reading? This.
Unlovable.
Unlovable.
Who wrote this unlovable?
Who's
Yeah,
that?
it's here.
Oh, I'll come to that. Wait. So the
can't see
book is
mine.
filled with lot of stuff. How Autobots work with military organizations to stay forever on Earth, and finally Sam
And his friend
and his friend.
Michael.
Hmm.
With them all.
Okay. Who's this?
Not Michael.
Michael.
Mikaela.
Whatever.
It's a girl. Anyway, who wrote this?
I guess it's Munir.
Munib, are you?
No, ma'am. I didn't write. I'm not able to write on acid now. My devices are
How come?
busy.
How come?
So it's Anonymous, Comro, Rant, whatever that is. Which one did I not read?
Mine, ma'am.
In the movie
Transformers.
Transformers, the Noble
No, this I read, and this one is very well written, by the way. The Ancient Struggle, I like Mosam
And
too.
the movie Transformers is a movie on autograph, and this